The issue with my toilet is when you flush it, it often doesn't refill and becomes quiet. And what we found is that if we just touch the valve, it will refill. So we know that this is the problem with the valve. I could check the washer underneath this cap, but I think since it's so easy to replace the valve, I'm just going to replace the valve. I took a video and called 1-800-Kohler, and they connected me to the proper people, and they explained that I needed to have a new fill valve. They sent me a new fill valve at no cost, and I'm going to show you how to put that in. First, shut off the water supply. Remove the hose from the restrictor valve. And then I'm going to go ahead and flush the toilet. Get the water out. You'll notice that there's quite a bit of water still in here. I'm going to finish it off with a sponge and be careful not to disturb things too much. And I'm going to come in with a towel, amount of water out, and get the tank dry. And undo the water source. That. I've got a pan here to catch the water. It's going to leak out of the back of the toilet. Okay. Then I remove the fixation nut, pump pliers, and this comes off easily. Okay. And you can remove the valve like this. This is the refill valve that I obtained directly from Kohler. It comes with replacement parts for the washer here, and for the nut underneath, and for the washer that goes underneath the cap up here. Note that the length is exactly right. If I wanted to change the length, I'd move this up and then pull this stem down, but I think we're exactly perfect there as far as the length goes. Note that the new valve comes with a hose attachment, so we don't have to worry about damaging that when we take it off. We'll just insert the hose right onto that. The new hose doesn't come with the setup. We need to put this new washer on the end of the valve here. The new washer is right in place, and this is going to sit right down in the hole in the bottom of the tank. Putting in the new fill valve. We'll put the hose on first and insert the fill valve like that. Now we're just going to reassemble it. We put the new nut on the new valve and tighten that down until it's finger tight, and then it won't leak. And then we're going to put the water source back in place. I'm going to put a little twist on both of them just to make sure they're nice and tight. First the water source, and then the valve. Things nice and tight. We can get rid of the pan now. We can turn the water back on. Now notice that the tank is filling and stops when it's supposed to. Any leaks down here? So everything's good. We'll check it one more time. The flushes nicely. And fills up to the top of the previous watermark, and then shuts off appropriately. So everything's working fine. So we're ready to call it a day. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. And press the bell next to the subscribe button. And you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.